What are you drinking?
Cappuccino cream. Cause it's not bad. This is not bad. You like it? This one tastes more like a creamy chowder.
Oh, that's what it is, yeah.
Tastes like a creamy chowder.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now let me get you. But you can do yourself.
Yeah, girl.
Oh yeah. Okay.
All right. I know
So?
I'm sleepy, but let's taste it. Oh, this is good.
It is.
This is good. I will always put like a spoon.
Yes.
It's good. Yeah, it's like an onion cream chowder or something.
The
And
right
I like
amount.
the idea of the small serving cup.
The right amount of salt.
Atelier,
Yeah.
#1 resort. Here's to the good life.
Yes. Now, just for the record, atelier is French.
Yes.
And it means
All right, Miss Kenya.
now I like this. And I think I would like it with a piece of bread.
Okay. This is that's just Chef Miguel and good.
Yeah. Especially with bread.
Okay. I am having the time of my life.